Hello and welcome to Cboe Volatility 411. My name is Dan Deming and I'm with KKM Financial. Expiration for the SPX today and the indexes, and we saw a little bit of a markup. We continue to see the SPX holding up here at all-time highs, and with that the VIX actually was at the lows of the year. 1175 I believe was the low print, currently right around the 1220 area. Now looking at some of the impact here moving into expiration for the VIX, which is next Wednesday, 3-day weekend, only one trading day when the markets open next week, so keep that in mind. And I think you're also seeing that playing out in the futures pricing. Futures actually front month right around the 1270 area, so you got about 50 cents in premium there. The expectations are for that 3-day weekend to be priced out on Tuesday and to see the VIX cash jump. Also, Feb-March action. The Feb-March roll right around 45 cents right now, so pretty tight. And the Feb future 1505, March future 1550. Elevated, significant amount of premium there, so watch for that roll market next week as we move through expiration. I would expect that that's going to start to widen if we see the VIX cash holding down here in this 12 handle. Looking at VVIX, measure implied volatility on the VIX options, 92.5, high for the week, so we continue to see that firming as we move through the week. And I can tell you, when you look at the options action, I think that's the reason why. Again, today, Jamie pointed out yesterday, Feb 22 is 100K were bought, 125K more today were purchased at 49 cents. So big upside call buyers in Feb continue as we continue to see a lot of action in that Feb call wing. Feb put spread traded as well. Feb 14.5, 13 put spread. 1 by 2.5, bought 1, 14.5 put, sold 2.5 to 13 put. So a play for a range to the downside on that trade. It looks like that went up, I don't know, I think about 8,000 by 24,000 or something in that range. Looking at activity in January, we saw a Jan call seller, Jan call seller, Jan 16 calls were sold. So again, the expectations are that we're going to close below 16 on next Wednesday's print. Looking at activity as far as next week, 4-day trading week, expiration for the VIX, and earnings season kicking off in full force. I expect that to influence the vol structure as we move through the week.